In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we cannot find the page you are looking for on Telegraph. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, one of the reasons why you might be experiencing this is because the page might have been moved, updated, or even deleted. Also, there might have been a problem with the website, and also you may have typed the web address incorrectly, so you have to make the correct spelling check before you can get the page. However, even after doing that, if nothing works, then you want to try and troubleshoot your browser to see if this fixes your problem. For that, you need to go to your browser. For my case, I'm on Google Chrome, and click on these ellipses and then go to settings. Under settings, go to privacy and security, and then go to delete browsing data, and here choose the length of time you wish to delete the data and delete the data. This will delete all the data for that specific time. And now if you open your browser fresh and go to Telegraph, and now you should be able to open the page or search for the page, and it should now open if it is available. However, if that does not work, then most likely you might be using a VPN or any recently installed security app. If that's the case, you'll need to turn it off or uninstall it to fix the problem. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.